Hello everyone, this is Aquile. Everyone know me as Aquile, founder of HurBeauty, HurBraids Academy, where beauty meets comfort, elegance, inclusive, confidence. So I created this platform as a beauty educator, branding coach, and if you are an aspiring hairstylist or starter braider or a mother out there wondering what to do with their daughter's hair, or any beauty pro out there who are second guessing the path to success, this is the right platform for you. I'm from West Africa, especially Togo. It's called a little Switzerland, situated next to Ghana. I'm sure a lot of you heard about Ghana. So my country is a French country. It's called Togo. I've been in the state for 23 years, going 24 years, and this is the best decision I made as a hairstylist, to be a coaching and educator and to pour into the next generation. So, as I was saying earlier, you don't have to do this alone. There's a beginning for everything, yes, but we always thought you don't need anybody, you can do it alone. As a starter, eventually to budget and keep all the money to yourself, it makes total sense. However, when you learn from other people's mistakes, when you learn from other people's success, you grow faster and better. That's why I created this platform. And for all the mothers out there who, because I heard this so many times from a client, I don't have nice hair or good hair. And it's most of the time it comes from my client who have coily, kinky, curly hair, who don't know how to um, work with their natural hair. And back in the day, we put a lot of chemical in our hair to straighten our hair out, and that, I mean, it helped. We were able to uh, style our hair easily, but in our beauty field now, alopecia is on the rise, hair loss is on the rise. So it's time for us to take action and embrace our natural hair. And for my fellow client who have straight hair, some people have such thin hair they don't know what to do with it. Others have so much thick hair they complain about it. So at the end of the day, we're not satisfied. That's just the human nature. However, I learned throughout my 20 some years of experience how to embrace it all, and mostly how to be patient while achieving. And as I was saying earlier, we are taught not to ask for help and to do it all by ourselves on our own, because yes, it helps us keep all the profit to ourselves. But if you've done it for so many years, you will feel burnout. I started in my basement as a braider, which allowed me to make money on the side while I was still take care of my children and be the mom that I am. By the way, I have four beautiful children, and the journey has taught me a lot. So that's why I'm here to empower every single hairstylist, starter braider, or starter hairstylist out there, to pour into the next community and to teach our younger one how to embrace their natural hair without putting too much of those chemicals that are ridding our hair of the natural moisture and the natural care. And you, like I was saying, I will even teach you how to delegate tasks, how to hire virtual assistant on a low budget, and how to make money beyond the chair. Because when you are burnout, when you feel the burnout, if you don't have a backup plan, you will tend to quit. Nevertheless, in every single field, in every single industry, it's all about balance. It's all about balance, it's all about strategy, and it's all about how to budget and manage. And that's one thing, that's what I'm going to teach you in this platform with my coaching classes and strategies and all that. If all this resonate with you, subscribe to my YouTube channel, where I will drop more of my tips, hair care tips, braiding styles, strategies, how I braid hair. Everybody got their own skills, but I will teach you how I've handled this, how all my clients choose to come to me because they experience love, care, and they know that I will put it all together where they don't feel so much tension on their hair. And for my beauty pro who want to scale, who want to skyrocket their profit and still have time for the family, you are where you're supposed to be. For the first 10 people who will sign up for my coaching classes, you will have, if you are in the Omaha area, you will get, before school starts, you will get 20% off of every hairstyles. Not only that, you will have access to my ebook. And for the beauty pro out there, let's grow together. You don't need to do this alone. Let's grow together. Let's build a community. Thank you so much for your time. Truly a pleasure.